In this video, we will show you how to transfer TON from Binance to Bybit. If you guys want to get started with Binance, you can use the links down in the description. First, log into your Binance account and navigate to the wallet section. Now, select Fiat and Spot from the wallet menu. Then, choose TON or TON Crystal as the coin you want to withdraw. Initiate the withdrawal process by clicking on Withdraw and selecting TON Crystal as your withdrawal method. After that, copy your Bybit wallet address for TON Crystal. You can find this by logging into your Bybit account, going to the Assets tab, selecting Deposit and choose TON Crystal. Next, paste the Bybit wallet address into the withdrawal field on Binance. Here, enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Confirm the transaction and complete any required security steps such as two-factor authentication or 2FA. Wait for the transfer to be processed. The transfer time may vary depending on the network and the amount being transferred. So that's how to transfer TON from Binance to Bybit. Make sure to use the links down in the description to get started with Binance. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I'll see you in the next video.